Good day, community. Our character trait for today is justice. What does it mean to have justice? Having justice means that I must follow the rules because they are for my good. They help me be loving and fair like I should. Where can you find this character trait? The character trait is found in John chapter 14 verse 15. If you love me, follow my commandments. This character trait is shown in the story about God's 10 commandments. Now let me tell you the story. With so many people traveling together, Moses needed some advice to help the people get along. Moses climbed up the top of a mountain to have a meeting with God. God said, I love my people and I have a few rules that will help make a better life for them. He gave them the 10 rules called the 10 commandments. We want to do our own thing, the people said. That gets quite messy, Moses replied. God's commandments tell us what we should do and shouldn't do so that we can live in happiness and peace with each other. The people thought about it and replied, we love God and we want to do what's right. That's the end of our story. Can kids like us learn about justice? Of course we can. We can do it in our daily activities. First, we practice justice by following our classroom rules, and if we break them, there will be consequences. Lastly, we also practice that in our house rules. Again, the character trait for today is justice, and also a reminder. Let us follow the rules because it's for our good, even if no one is in the room. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.